In this video, we're going to learn how to share workbooks so multiple users can edit them. It can be very useful to share a workbook with others so that you can collaborate on a file. This is called co-authoring feature in the most recent versions of Excel. In order to be able to co-author and share, you need to be connected to your Office subscription and connected to Office 365 in order to access the feature. So basically it just means you need to be able to access like the web version and be compatible with that version in order to access the features. I am logged in to my Office 365 account. You can see my name here. It says I'm signed in. So I've got this share button right here. And this is what you use to co-author and collaborate with others. When you click on the share button, it might take a second to load. And when it does, you'll have a number of options. First, you can start by typing in names or emails of people you want to share it with. For the purpose of this video, I'll try sharing it with myself, just as an example. So if I start typing in my name, I'm linked through Cambrian College, so I appear there. And by pressing this button, or here, you can change the permissions. So I could say that I could allow editing for specific people, or all people in Cambrian College, or people that already have access, and apply those settings. So I'm allowing editing, so people that I specify can edit. So say share it myself, I could add in any other names, like names of students, other professors, to share the workbook with them. Once I've added everybody I want to, I'll press the send button. This will send an email, which I have now opened so you can view it. It might take a couple minutes to actually arrive once you send it, but this email will come with a link to the shared file. So all you have to do is press open. Once I do that, I'm brought to the full 6-1 spreadsheet, and I can click around inside this sheet, make changes at the same time, and I can also make changes at the same time as other people that are potentially working in the workbook. So if I go back, for example, to the actual spreadsheet I have open in my Excel application instead of just the one online, I can see where I'm currently clicked in the green and where Jenna Goo's on the website Excel Online version is clicked. So you can see and watch what other people are doing and what they're doing as they edit the spreadsheet so you can work together. Finally, going back to our 6.5 sheet, now that we've seen what the email looks like, what multiple people working on the worksheet will look like at the same time, so you can see that people are working together. One important note is that if you have older versions of Excel, instead of having the share button with co-authoring, it looks a little bit different. You'll have a shared workbook feature on the review tab right here that you can use in order to also share with others. So you can click here for more information on the shared workbook feature. I recommend that you try sharing an Excel workbook. So just like I used the share button and opened it and typed in some names, I recommend picking a classmate to send the worksheet to. Send any worksheet to, so you can practice sharing it with them and they can practice sharing one with you, so you can try co-authoring a spreadsheet together and being able to work together within the same Excel workbook at the same time. It is a very useful feature for teamwork.